How to give a man total body sex. Hello and welcome to Activate the Goddess. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe as we release videos almost daily. Now let's get into it. 1. Initiate sex. What's one way to please your partner sexually? Simple. Initiate sex. Since men usually initiate sex, they're the ones who are rejected when women aren't in the mood. Even if you say yes to sex more often than not, always having to initiate sex can get old for your man. So initiate yourself. Ask him if he wants to have sex. Strip down and walk into the room naked. Let him walk in on you masturbating. Tell him that you're going to have sex as soon as you both get home together, or send him off in the morning with a kiss and a promise for later naughty times. 2. Touch his chest hair. If your guy has chest hair, you might as well play with it. The area is more sensitive than you think, and he'll love you running your fingers through it. Want to really drive them wild? Place your hand flat on their lower chest or belly, and, keeping your palm on their skin, run it up their chest until you have a handful of hair. Tug, starting gently, says Kate Scalisi, sex educator and founder of PushingBK.com. Pulling this way stimulates the nerve endings without giving that stingy hair pulling feel. You can do this on their head, too, starting at the back of their neck. 3. The prostate. Okay, this one might sound weird, but give it a chance. The prostate is a walnut-shaped gland that produces the liquid ejaculate you're all too familiar with, and Stephanie Bueller, psychologist, sex therapist, and director of the Bueller Institute in Newport Beach, California, says some guys really enjoy it being massaged. To reach the prostate, lubricate a finger and gently put it up the man's rectum. Crook your finger to find the right spot. There are also toys for prostate massage. Just look online or go to a nearby sex toy shop. 4. The head. Remember in middle school when your friend would make you close your eyes, and they would crack an imaginary egg on your head with their fingers, and it felt amazing? No? Just me? Well, it felt great. And it still does. Probably because the top of your head is rarely touched by anything other than a hairbrush, as you rush out the door to start our day. Sit behind Yubo and run your fingers through his scalp. If he likes that, try adding slight pressure to his scalp in small circular motions. Feel his whole body relax in your hands, as you play tenderly with what holds his cranium. 5. The temples. While adding pressure to the third eye, begin massaging the temples, the sides of your forehead, by rotating your fingers in a slow, sensual, circular movement. This move also relieves tension and will allow sexual excitement to flow. Not to mention, your guy will relish the intimacy of you exploring his face. 6. The facial bones. Many people carry stress and tension in our heads and necks. Thanks, day jobs. Lay his head down in your lap and, once his neck is comfortable, start lightly tracing the angles of his face with the tips of your fingers. Don't just barge in there, use your fingertips to listen and sense the shape of him, advises Julie Tudor, a movement and manual therapist who specializes in pain relief therapy. A light, continuous touch will make him have an electric response. 7. The inner thighs. You may have noticed when playing with yourself that the inner thighs can be extremely sensitive. The same goes for your guy. Do you see yourself using this to improve your dating life? Then grab your free copy, absolutely free, of our dating guide, How to Get a Man to Love You, in the description below. Also, if you like this type of content, please leave a like and click on subscribe to discover the real reasons why men lose interest and what men really want from women. Just follow the first link below to become a woman he craves. Thanks for watching.